Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one of the interesting video related on LinkedIn, how to update latest resume on LinkedIn and how to delete old resume on LinkedIn profile. It's very simple tips and tricks. So now let's start as a laptop screen. So now let's start as a demonstration. I just simply open here my LinkedIn account. This is my LinkedIn account. If I click here, my profile picture, setting and privacy. After that, here several options are available, but we need to click here data and privacy and just simply scroll down here and look at this here job seeking preferences. We click here first option, job application setting. If you click here, so look at this here, how many resume you already uploaded here, those number of resume list is automatically display here. So you can update resume, otherwise you can delete the resume. How to delete? Click three dots and delete your old resume. You can delete entire your resume one by one, and after that you just simply upload latest resume where is available on your computer system. You just simply upload here latest resume. Today is the 15th of October and I updated my resume. Share your resume data with all recruiters always on this one and share your updated resume all recruiter. This is a simple process to upload resume and delete resume. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.